Hey friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're very up close and personal because I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look. This is going to be the orange eyeshadow look as part of my makeup series I'm doing on my channel. I'll have the playlist linked below. So I've already done my base, I've already done my eyebrows. They're not super even today, but they're good enough. Also, I haven't bothered doing my hair because I'm going to put a wig on at the end of the video, so we're just gonna ignore whatever is going on here. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna try roughly drawing out the flame. Okay, it's not the best outline I've ever done in my life, but I've got the rough shape of what I want to do, and that's all that matters. So we're going to start off with a yellow eyeshadow. I've got my Conspiracy palette and also my Morphe and, whoop, that's not even in the camera. Also my Morphe and Lisa Frank palette, because they're my two main colourful eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to see which one has the best yellow. I think it's gonna be the Morphe one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Morphe one because the Shane Dawson one is like a fluoro yellow and I don't really want that. So I'm gonna be using this yellow here. Gosh, I'm juggling so much on my desk right now. It's ironic that I'm drawing flames and it's literally so hot in here. So I'm packing that yellow on just like the bottom part of it, so like my main eyelid. Okay, so once that yellow is patted on there, I'm just going to blend the edges out a little bit. And we want to try and stay in that template we created, but it doesn't matter too much because we can fix it up with concealer. Okay, now we're going to create a gradient to orange. I think I'm going to start with the Cheeto Dust orange just because it's a little bit more pale. And I just want to use that as like a base, and then we'll go in with like a brighter orange after that. And you just want to blend it in to the edge of the yellow. And then I'm just going back into that yellow and just adding that back on top. Okay, now I'm going in with this like reddy, oh, wrong one, reddy orange sort of shade. And we're gonna blend that in with the orange and also starting to add it inside the flame. What would you call them? Like flame? We're just gonna start adding it in the flame. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush and just really sort of add more red and just define those edges a little bit more. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with that orange. And then back in with the yellow. Okay, it's looking like a hot mess at the moment, but now we're going to clean it up with some concealer. I'm also just grabbing some micellar water and some Q-tips. Okay, now I'm going in with a really tiny brush and some concealer, and I'm just going to tidy up those edges. Okay, I tried adding a little bit of color under my eyes, but I just wasn't liking the look of it, so we're just gonna ignore that that ever happened. Okay, so now we're going to outline the flames. I'm gonna be using a red liquid lipstick and then just like a really tiny brush, and I'm literally just gonna outline the flames, and I'm gonna pray that I'm not gonna mess it up. If you have a red liquid liner, that would be so much easier, but I only have a liquid lipstick, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, so here's how we're looking. So now I'm going to do some mascara and put my lashes on. So I'm going to be using these lashes here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to quickly tidy up my base makeup a little bit. I might add some black liner to my waterline, and I'm going to pop on my wig, put on some lipstick, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final look. I've put on this wig. I was working on it last night, but I feel like it still needs some work. I don't know how people cope with this much hair. Like, it's already driving me crazy. But this is a close-up. I didn't end up adding any eyeliner to my waterline. And I just put on a nude lipstick just because I felt like it was going to be a bit too much if I added a color. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, let me know down below what you thought about this makeup look. Let me know what color you'd like to see me do next. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribed. And I will see you all next time with another video. Bye!
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones.